Hi, welcome to Claire's programming class. Do you remember my first math class video was about prime numbers? Today I am going to implement prime numbers with JavaScript. Here is what we are going to do. I am going to create a function called isPrime. If you pass any integer number to this function, and if that number is a prime number, we will print out prime number. And if it's not a prime number, it will print not a prime number. So let's get into it. I am going to use the ES6 arrow function format. So here the function name is isPrime and it has num as its parameter. You can think of a parameter as an input that we are passing into the function. Then we are going to loop through using for loop. This is very important and you see the core concept of the prime number here. Do you know why it starts from 2 and not from 0 or 1? And why should it be less than num here? That's because, by definition, to become a prime number, 1, it should be greater than 1. 2, and it should be divisible by only 1 in itself. If you're not sure what this means, please watch my video on prime numbers. So if you look at the next line here, we try to divide num with each I starting from 2 and before num. And we don't need to divide num with 1 and num itself since all numbers are divided by 1 and itself. All we need to check is if that number is divided by any other number, right? That's why we exclude these conditions by starting I from 2 and exclude num with I is less than num. Hope you got it. This percent sign is called modular and this means remainder. So if we divide num with I and the remainder is 0, that is, if num is divisible by I, then it's not a prime number, right? So we return not a prime number. Return in program means it exits the program, so the program ends. If all the checks are done in the for loop, but num is not divisible by any I, that means it's a prime number and we return prime number. Okay, we are done. All we need to do is call the function. To see the result in the terminal, we will do console.log isPrime 17. Let's pass 17. Let's execute it. You see, it prints out prime number. Let's try 84. It prints out not a prime number. Hope this makes you more clear about how prime numbers work. I will see you next time. Bye!